Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a new toy I just bought, which is the Ryobi 1. It's a 10-inch, 18-volt cordless edger, or trimmer, or weed whacker, or weed eater. They have a different name no matter where you go. So, for those of you, as an update, what happened is I got my strong back of my boat outside and I can mow the lawn around it, but I can't get in underneath it. So I needed just to get something cheap to be able to do some weed whacking underneath the boat strong back. So I figured this would do it. It was only $99 at Home Depot. So let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to bring this down a little bit. And okay, are you ready? Here we go, unboxing. The most exciting part. It's just like Christmas. Okay, and ooh, it looks like some assembly required. Oops. So first thing I noticed, it is plastic. Oh, I've got another battery to go with it, which is great because I already have two batteries. And the reason I chose Ryobi is because I already have two batteries, and this is going to make three. And wow, for the $99 they even give me another charger, so that's awesome. So now I have two chargers and three batteries, so that goes back in there. Looks pretty simple to set up. So it looks like I just got to put this together here. Yeah. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to take a look at the instructions there for a couple minutes, come back and show you what I did. Okay? Okay, so it comes with 4 screws in this little bag here. And I put the deflector here on, which I imagine is going to go this way here. And all I have to do is screw in the 4 screws. And I got those 2 in, good. And I should write a book on how to take an easy task and make it more difficult. Okay, I got that on. So, according to the instructions, I think we get the whole thing. I think we get the whole thing done. And that's gonna go right over here, lock and load. Okay, so let's see if it works. Ready? Whoa. Alright, so the trick is, how will it work on the lawn? You want to see? Okay, let's go see. I'm gonna go underneath the strong back here. And let's see how she works. Lightweight too. So if I have to really reach in some place. So there you have it. The Ryobi $99 weed whacker works great. Does just what I need it to do. It's not a major. It's kind of like a, I guess you could say, a minor tool for smaller jobs. But that's all I need it for. So. Great tool for the job, so it's a winner so far. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and brief review, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.